Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new 4SR Sport Cup 3 Gauntlet Gloves. Okay, 4SR, that's a brand new brand. It's a lot of brands. We're adding to our website right now. Our first exposure to the product was while we were racing at Moto America the last couple of seasons. They sponsor a few teams. You know, obviously we have friends on those teams that are riding and racing in it or crewing for those teams. The apparel performed very well. We met our man Jerry there. Also, decided to add this because it makes sense for our customers. This stuff offers a lot of performance and value, which is important. You don't have to spend big money to get a great product. The Sport Cup 3 glove retails, as of the time we're shooting this video, for $130. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a full gauntlet sport riding glove. What do I think this is right for? What type of riding? It doesn't have a full-on palm slider. You guys all know if you're track riding, I really kind of gravitate towards a glove with a palm slider for the racetrack. With that said, this is going to be a great street and maybe a little bit of track day full gauntlet glove that's going to offer a lot of comfort, dexterity, and of course protection. Let's talk about sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there today. I have a 2X on in these. I gotta tell you, they feel really good. These are going to require almost no break-in for me. I could go out and ride in these now, and they would be super comfy right out of the gate. I've had them on here in the office on and off a couple of times for maybe a half an hour total, and they fit and feel fantastic. Features, benefits. We've got a combination of cowhide and goat skin used with this glove. We have perforation. See if we can zoom in there and catch that in between the fingers. This is key. This is a great way to introduce some cooling into the gloves. Your handlebars are out in the wind. Fingers are there, just drives the air inside the glove, and then it of course moves through the glove, helps to keep it cooler and comfortable. We've got a flexible knuckle protector. They use a tunnel system here, so when you wrap your fingers around the handlebar, instead of it pulling hard on the glove, it just kind of expands and moves with you in that area. We've got a foam protector here for the back of the hand. We've got protection here for the end of the ulna. Plenty of dexterity. We've got some foam inserts here protecting the thumb. You'll find those on the knuckles up here as well. There's definitely, you can see it, a pre-curve to this glove which enhances the comfort and dexterity. Get to the palm of the glove. Here in the real impact zone over the pinky and the palm, they're reinforcing this some shoulder Keprotec. It's a real abrasion resistant fabric. You do have a piece of foam here to protect from impact in that palm area, which is important. We've got an overlay here, looks like maybe a synthetic leather in the palm. Little silicone grip layer. This is going to help keep the surface life of the glove a little higher because this is essentially where your hand is touching the bar. Internal seams have proven over time to be the most durable on the ground and can end up being ultimately the safest because the threads are protected from the pavement in the event of a fall. We have a safety strap here at the wrist, gauntlet adjuster up here at the top. All in all, what do I think? I've looked at this brand quite a bit. We've got suits here, we've got a couple of jackets here, we have gloves here. We're offering it because I think it belongs on our website. I think it belongs in our catalog. This could be another great option for our customers. Quality gear that sells at an affordable price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.